Hello, my name's Daniel Moss. I'm a wilderness explorer, and today we're in one of the biggest cities in Europe. It's called Lichfield. Why is it so big? Wow, it's got 4 train platforms and it's also got a Morrison's, so let's check them out. Right, so first of all, why are we in Lichfield? Wow, we're in Beacon Park at the moment, looking out for some nature. First of all, we're going to be looking at some exotic birds and some lads trying to pull them. Next of all, we're going to be looking for some creatures, maybe some dogs, some cats, you know, and then maybe if we're lucky, maybe go find some doggers. Let's go find them. Okay, so we're actually approaching some pigeons now. The pigeon is an incredible part of Lichfield. It flew off! That's not the gents. Okay, this is the River of Break. Now, it is a legendary tradition that everyone goes and jumps it once in their lifetime. So, let's have a go. Oh shit, no! Oh, stuck. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. So we're going to end the video off here, guys. Thanks for watching, and like, comment and subscribe. Oh no, we'll get help and we'll start again. Oh god.